What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be unboxing the Shogun accessory kit. As you guys know, I picked up the Shogun 7 HDR and it went on sale, so I was able to get the kit for much cheaper because the Shogun 7 HDR was originally $1,299 and it dropped $999, and this one was a package for $1,199. So it was pretty cool. I got the power kit, fast charger, everything's in here, and it's good to go. Took a sip of my coffee. Again, don't mind the ghetto setup. I don't have a desk I can use. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Accessory kit, B&H. Again, this is what it comes with. Nice boxing. Came in pretty quick, so I was happy about that. I didn't have to wait till tomorrow. If you're wondering if you should get the Shogun 7 Inferno or the Shogun 7 HDR, get the Shogun 7 HDR. It does have a live switcher for live streaming for extra couple $100. Okay, so it comes with a box similar to the Pelican or Nanook, whatever you want to call it. It says accessory kit on here. Little phone pieces. Make sure that my dog don't eat that. The case is pretty cool. You can actually put your name tag right here. Alright, so it's like this, and I think it's also pressurized. As you can see here, there's a little vent. Boom! This has a place where you can put the Shogun 7. We got 4 caddies. I have one caddy already that came with it. We got the SD card reader. We got 2 batteries. Atomos brand. Pretty cool. Underneath this, we have the hood, the Shinobi hood. As you guys know, that the hood was actually expensive. I think it was $119 or something, 120 bucks. It does come with a cable, charging cable again, or an adapter, power adapter. I'm not too sure what this is. I'll figure it out. I think this is for the remote. We got the carrying handle for the case. I believe this is a D-tap. Another little screw. On the right side, we have all the adapter plugs for different countries. And lastly, we got the fast charging battery. That's about it. Again, thanks guys for tuning in. And this concludes the unboxing. Peace.